So therapy, if I can share a little bit of my background from being born in Japan, that we do not seek therapy in general, because there's a lot of shame attached to it, because people think that seeking therapy is it's for crazy people, or not people are not functioning well enough. But therapy is not only that. If you can think about coming to therapy to talk to your best friend or your family member or not, that you cannot really share the core part of it to other people, then hey, therapy is the great place to share those core part that you are not able to share with other people. So means that you don't have to be too serious about oh, I have to be this way to be therapy, to go to therapy. You don't have to. You can be yourself, and then you can just share what's inside of you wholeheartedly without hesitation. And that's therapy is all about. We're not expecting you to be anyone or someone, but therapy is all about sharing what you're thinking inside that you're not able to share other people. Hi, my name is Mekaru. I'm a psychotherapist at Neuro Wellness Spa in Manhattan Beach, and then my expertise are working with LGBTQIA plus community and people with HIV, and also people with depression, anxiety, bipolar, and some other mental health issues. Many LGBTQIA plus community, we are having challenges, especially with healthcare system, especially for transgender population. We are facing a lot of healthcare issues, means that we are not able to seek the regular healthcare that a lot of people are seeking, and there is a lot of discrimination and then a lot of unfairness, I should say, when seeking treatment. So when we are facing unfairness or discrimination, that we feel like we are inferior than any other people, and at the end of the day, we're all human, but we all think that hey, we are lacking, or we are not being heard, or we are not being validated. So that gives us a lot of depression, right? And then also a lot of anxiety, right? And also, we are having difficulty coming out to be accepted by family, society, and school or peers. So that gives us a lot of difficulty living in our lives. I'm trying to be where they are and what they're experiencing and what their challenges are, because everyone's having unique challenges in their daily lives and in their own community, own family members or own family environment. But yeah, so I'm trying to be there and understanding what they're going through and then what they're suffering from and then what their challenges are, and I put myself into the spot also and into their shoes and trying to understand how we can process those feelings and how we can make it better and how we can encourage ourselves to each other. So the LGBTQIA plus community is so important to have the community within and outside too. I utilize a lot of CBT, cognitive behavioral therapy techniques into it. So it means CBT is all about, not all about, but easy to explain, is that how our cognition or ideas activate our action or feelings, and then our feelings gonna activate our action. There's a little inner triangle that we can see, so our thought, feelings, and action are all interconnected and they all each affecting each other. So in a way that if we have negative cognition, our feeling might be negative and our action might be negative as well. But what if we have positive idea or neutral idea? Maybe our feelings gonna be neutral or positive, and our action can be neutral and positive as well. So in our difficult society or challenging society these days, I would use the CBT techniques into my treatment modality and make our feelings better. I would say non-judgmental stance is the most important thing, because a lot of people from LGBTQIA community, we have been judged by people in society. So in therapy, we provide safe and safe environment, and also non-judgmental stance that we provide. So I think that we would like to understand what kind of challenges they went through, and we would like to be there for them, and we would like to understand what they were, and then also help them to process them and help them to move forward. If you're looking for or seeking for mental health issues, Neuro Wellness Spa is a great place to start because we provide not only therapy support, but we also provide psychiatrists and then med management. And then also we have a great mental health tool, what we call TMS as well. And also like if you're someone who are suffering from substance use issues, and we also have clear behavioral health as well to support you in many ways. If you're seeking mental health services, please give us a call at Neuro Wellness Spa, and then we have great staff to help you to set up your appointments.